Hop on the back of my scooter. We're riding the coast of SDM. It's a beach town in Phan Hoa Province, northern Vietnam. About 3 hours south of Hanoi. By road, one of the North's favorite beach escapes. Wide streets, sea breeze, and classic beach town energy. Let's take a look. Quick travel tip before we start. Here's roughly what a trip here costs from Hanoi. Train tickets run about 160,000 to 280,000 VND tilde. $611 USD. A bus from GOP BT station is cheaper, around 100,000 VND tilde. 4 United States dollars one way from southern Vietnam. Fly into THX N Airport, then taxi to the coast. Prefer it easy? Packaged 3-day, 2-night. Tours run about 1.6 meters VND tilde 65 United States dollars. Now this main road along the coast is HX NG Street. It's built wide on purpose, packed with walkers and food stalls every evening. Small seafood restaurants, cafes, and hotels line almost the entire strip. This town runs almost entirely on tourism. As we keep riding, you'll notice the skyline shift toward hotel. SDM Essen has grown fast in the last decade. Efficient town turned resort strip. Let's talk accommodation costs. Since we're passing so many hotels, budget guest houses start around 250,000 VND night tilde. $10 United States dollars in peak season. Mid-range 2 to 3 star hotels near the beach usually run 400,000 to 800,000 VND night. Want luxury resorts like FL, CS, MSN start from about 2,050,000 VND night tilde. $80. Rooms right on H1H cost more, but you get sea views and easy access. Tip: rates near beach zones A and B run higher than zones C and D. Palm trees line nearly every block. That tropical resort town look by design. Now watch the traffic. Motorbikes are the main way people get around here. Locals and tourists share the road. Kids heading to school, vendors on bikes. This is the real rhythm of a Vietnamese beach town, not just the postcard. If you want to explore like this, scooter rentals cost about 100,000 to 150,000. VND day tilde, $6 USD. No license. Electric carts and cyclos are available to always confirm price first. Taxis and XEM motorbike taxis are easy to flag down anywhere in town. Unmetered rides. Always agree on a price before you get on. Now we're getting closer to the open coastline. Beach just past that wall. SDM Sun's beach stretches for several kilometers of golden sand. Best time to visit summer, May through August. For warm swimming, June and July are peak season. Busiest, liveliest, best beach weather. Prefer it quieter? Late April or September offers milder crowds. Still warm. Avoid the rainy storm season around August. October 冬キャン 3HA sees occasional typhoons then. Winter deck fan is cool and quiet. Fine for sightseeing. Too cold to swim. Access to the public beach itself is free. No entrance fee. This next stretch runs right beside the water. My favorite part, you can spot fishing boats pulled up on the sand along the coast. Beneath the new hotels, Essen is still a working fishing community. Locals have fished these waters for generations, long before tourism arrived. Let's talk food, because this is one of the best reasons to visit. Small seafood shacks lined the road. Squid, crab, clams, fish, often grilled fresh. A full seafood meal at a proper restaurant runs 300,000 to 500,000 VND person. $1 menos 20 USD. Street food and simple local meals can cost as little as 30,000 to 60,000 VND. $1 menos 250 USD over a 2-day. One-night trip. Expect to spend about 500,000 to 1,200,000 V. Tilda. $20 to 48 USD on food per person. Eat where locals eat, usually cheaper and just as fresh. Genuinely one of the best places in Vietnam for fresh, cheap seafood. We're heading back toward busier part of town now. What's a rough total day left? Budget here. Let's break it down. Budget traveler, hotel plus food plus local. Transport 400,000 to 700,000 VND day. Tilda $16 minus 28 United States dollars. Mid-range traveler, comfortable hotel plus. Good meals, 800,000 to 1,500,000 VND day. $3 menos 60 USD. Splurge option, resort stay plus seafood. Feasts, 2 million plus VND day tilde. $80 plus USD. SMSNEs, COOMP, ACT enough to explore fully by scooter in an afternoon. This part of town has more of an urban feel. Taller buildings, shops, karaoke bars, and restaurants packed close together here. Prefer everything planned for you. Package tours often include transport, meals, and hotel. 3-day 2-night tours from Hanoi. Room about 1,600,000 to 1,680,000 VND tilde. 65 United States dollars. That usually covers round trip, transport, meals, and a 2 to 3 star hotel. A lot of this construction is brand new, built to keep up with tourism demand. And that's a full loop around MS NU Coast Boats Food Town. Quick recap. Go July for the best beach weather and liveliest vibe. Budget roughly $16 to 60 USD a day, depending on your travel style. If you're in northern Vietnam in summer, this is an easy, affordable escape. And honestly, one of the best ways to see it is exactly like this. On the back of a scooter, sea on one side, the whole town on the other. Thanks for riding along. See you on the next one.
From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you. I didn't want to waste no time. What's something I can do for you, darling, that would make you smile? I'll bring you flowers, girl, enough to see for miles. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. I love your style, and I love your grace. Said I love to put a smile on your pretty little face. I love it when you're close to me. That's where I want you to always be. I didn't know when I found you that I would find sure. Girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure. Girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure. Girl, my love is always yours.